welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia Luthra, and today's video is all about one of the overly used connector, which is and. Yes, we will be talking about and, the most favorite word of every single student, because of lately I have seen a lot of my students as well as some other students have been using and a lot when it comes to their speaking as well as their writing. Okay, so in today's video I will be telling you how you can replace the word and. So the first word that you can replace and with is along with. Then you can use in addition, you can use as well as, together with, besides, also, to, like TOO, moreover, last but not least, furthermore. So all these words can be used in replacement of and in this way you will definitely be able to give variety to your examiner and can increase your 0.5 to 1 band that you were losing earlier by overly using the word and. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in my next video very soon. Till then, please take care. Bye bye.